You didn't bring a pencil again?
Quiet down, everyone!
Then stop breathing so loud. No talking during the test!
Then stop breathing so loud, lady!
You want to fail?
Already did. Impatience.
Bro, you study?
Study? I prayed, bro.
Question 1.
Nah, skip to the bonus. I'm built different.
Your essay was confusing.
Your lectures are too.
Excuse me?
Grammar check says you bit.
All right, you'll integrate from 0 to infinity and then divide by the result of that summation.
Don't touch that.
Too late, Einstein.
He started a reaction.
That's called extra credit, fool.